link to tell this HTML where our image is to use. So we'll say href is equal to simone.jpg. And we need this dot slash to say it's in our current working directory in our Zero2Code videos folder. And then we close this. And unlike most of the tags, image is a self-closing tag because we don't put any text there. And then I'm going to make this a paragraph to say, we love Simone Biles. Oops. And let's try that again. I'm trying to do Control X to cut and then paste. And then I saved. And let's go take a look at our fan page. And uh-oh, it doesn't look like that works. So let's try to understand why that didn't work. It looks okay to me.